so it's time to get the fourth brother out in the 2012 Playmates Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle figures. I got all of them right here, but I only needed one more, and thanks to my buddy Mike, he sent me the fourth brother. These have been so hard to find. I mean, they come out in 2012, so they're really not around anymore, and I don't believe they re-released any of these so far. So it's time to open this guy up, get him out of his plastic prison, and put him with the rest of the brothers. Look at that, we got him out. He looks great. His teeth are coming off a little yellow, but they're not. All the white on them. But look how these guys look, man. I tell you, this is a cool line, and these guys got no problem standing up whatsoever. So we'll get his size out here. Got these in here weird. I kind of like how they got them in, but I kind of don't at the same time. There's his size. Put his size in his hands. If they'll fit, we got that one. Push this one in there. There we go. That one went in a lot better. Look at that. And he looks great. His joints are a little looser than my other ones there, but that's not a problem because they have no problem standing. So there we go. We got him out. We got all four brothers. Look, he looks great. The paint on him is excellent. No paint wear. He's actually got some holes there for his size in the back. That's cool. The tree, the weapon tree that it comes with, just going to leave that the way it is because he's got his size. So we really don't need to mess with that weapon tree at all. But we got Leo. My favorite. See, the joints on these ones are a lot tighter for some reason. We got Leo. We got Dawn. That's a little bracelet my daughter made for me. Just threw it around Donatello. Donatello got his headphones because he's always got them on while he's working, trying to create something great. So these ones are pretty cool, man. I will say that. And then we got the party dude, Michelangelo. I love how these are all different. They're very unique, each one. I love the white eyes, like they're in stealth mode, ninja mode, ready to fight. So thank you again to my buddy Mike for sending me Raph and completing the complete set of the four brothers. So happy to have these complete. You'll have no idea my OCD was eating me alive trying to find Raph so I could complete this set, including the 1988 Ninja Turtles re-releases, and I just did a little unboxing the other day of Raphael too. And it seems like Raphael is like the one that I can never seem to get. Now I got the movie Turtles and I got all three of those. And the only one I got left to get is Michelangelo for the movie Turtles. So once I get them, I'm pretty complete in my sets for the Turtles. So if it's your first time here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading more videos. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.